Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on manage your Google account and then click on security. After that you should scroll down to this signing into Google section and tap on password, which is the first option. Then you should add your current password and tap on the next button below. Then you should type in your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Click on this modify button and as you can see it has been updated, so you can tap on this update button at the top to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.